Hey, I'm Andy. Let me ask you this. Are you planning to change your old washing machine? Check out the following review video, and you'll thank me after that.
Magic Chef MCSCWD27S5 2.7 cubic foot front load washing washer and dryer machine combo combination appliance, silver. Dual appliance, compact 2.7 cubic foot front load washer and dryer combination appliance makes laundry a breeze in a compact living space. LED control panel, front-mounted control panel with LED display makes operation easy to use and access. Includes 14 wash cycle options and 2 dry cycles for custom washing experience. 5 temp settings, features 5 temperature settings and spin speeds for optimal performance. Stainless steel tub clean cycle keeps your washer fresh and removes any residue left behind. Stainless steel inner drum accommodates large loads.
So thanks for watching. If you want more information about this product, if you want to know customer review, the price and everything, don't forget to click the link in the description of the video. And before leaving, you can subscribe. Thank you guys. Take care of you. Bye bye.